Hi. The last topic is saving. Remember to save your work often. Saving frequently reduces the risk of losing your work you have been doing. To save your Illustrator document, do the following. Click the file in the menu tab, then choose Save. Navigate to the place would you like the document to be saved by using the drop-down menu on the navigation window. Enter the name of the document in the Save as text field. Choose a format to save your project in the Format drop-down menu. Click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Check and make sure that your document is saved in the place you intended. Thank you for watching.